You are extremely high today. And when you're drug tested today, what are you going to be positive for?
Marijuana.
And what else? Do you want to get drug tested today? Follow recommendations and also a referral to felony drug court. This is going to help you. All right, thank you.
This courtroom moment got tense real fast. A woman walks in like she owns the place, loud, defiant, acting like the rules don't apply to her. From the jump, her attitude is off. She dodges questions, throws jabs, and tries to flip the script, like she's in charge. But Judge Boyd, yeah, she wasn't having any of it. You could actually see the shift in the judge's face, like she started wondering, is this woman under the influence? And here's the thing, if a judge suspects that, they can halt everything, order a drug test, or even have someone arrested right there on the spot. That's the kind of authority the bench carries. As for the ending, let's just say the hammer dropped hard and you could feel the whole room change. So what do you think? Was she high or just putting on a show? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's break it all down together. Something felt off with
State versus Dora. Dora Bravo, can I have parties announced?
Megan Galloway for the state.
Michael Bellable from Miss Bravo.
And are you Miss Bravo? I'm going to need you to keep your voice up one so that I can hear and so the court
Yes,
reporter
ma'am.
can hear. Thank you.
Mhm.
All right, thank you. So, have you received all discovery in this case and did you review it with your client?
Yes,
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Bravo, did you review court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Your charge is possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram. That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
yes,
To
ma'am.
review the plea bargain page with your attorney, did you understand it?
Ma'am.
According to the plea bargain agreement, punishment is to be assessed at an $800 fine. State record provision, deferred adjudication. They're taking in consideration 2025 AL 005470. Did you understand that to be
Yes, ma'am.
defense?
Yes,
State?
It is her.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, are there be any such motions?
no, ma'am.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 2 years. There be a TAP evaluation, community service restitution, no contact with Roberto Avalos Jr. and JCPenney stores, the life skills course, and the anti-theft course. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State any evidence?
State offers states 1 in attachments.
No objections.
Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes,
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
we just asked the court follow the recommendation from the state.
All right, are you employed?
Oh, ma'am.
How do you support yourself?
My boyfriend,
Who's your boyfriend?
Pedro
Pedro who?
Diaz.
And what happened to Roberto Avalos?
What do you mean? What happened to him?
I mean, you were in a car with him. Is he no longer in your life?
No, he's incarcerated, but nobody stated that I was dating him. I was just getting a ride from him now.
woman from the very start. Let me know in the comments, do you think she was actually under the influence or just acting weird? Because her energy didn't match the seriousness of the courtroom at all. At one point, she casually mentions getting a ride from another guy even though she has a boyfriend. Now that alone isn't a crime, but it definitely added to the confusion. Her answers were scattered, her vibe was off, and honestly, it felt like she wasn't even fully present. Judge Boyd clearly picked up on it. His tone shifted fast, and you could see he was starting to question if something deeper was going on. And just so we're clear, if a judge thinks someone's impaired, They can legally pause the hearing, order a test, or even call for an arrest. So what do you think? Was it just a wild attitude or was something else going on? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's break it down. Let me know in the comments.
All right, did you know him before you accepted a ride from him?
Yes, I did.
All right, and how did you know him?
Friend and family.
Do you have any children?
I do.
What are their ages?
He is 15.
And who is the 15-year-old with?
He is with his uncle and his guardian.
And when you're drug tested today, what are you going to be positive for?
Marijuana.
And what else?
Um,
Now, that's not just about it. Do you want to get drug tested today? So here's the thing. I am trying to set conditions for you so you'll be successful in probation. In order for me to do that, you need to be honest with me. All right? So if you use before coming to court, that's not a violation of your probation because you were not on probation. So what are you going to be positive for?
drugs.
Well, I wasn't with you. So what type of drugs?
The kind that for methamphetamines.
All right. So when's the last time you used meth?
24 hours ago.
Okay. Do you have any family support?
Yes. Concerned fit, yes.
All right. Who's supporting you as far as someone you can go to help you maintain your sobriety?
My brother.
Your brother?
My oldest brother.
Okay. When's the first time you started using?
In 2017.
Okay. All right. This is what the court is going to do. There's going to be an $800 fine that will be probated. 3 years deferred adjudication. Proof of employment within 30 days of release. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. There's to be no residing with minors. Take in consideration 2025 AL 005470. There's going to be 100 hours of community service restitution. Once parenting is completed, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. There's to be no contact with Roberto Avalos Jr. No contact with J.C. Penney stores. Counsel, I'm not going to do the anti-theft course because I think the theft course is related to the drug issues. And I think if that problem is solved, then there'll be no need for the other. But I am going to recommend the life skills course. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs. In custody, there's to be a TAP evaluation, follow recommendations, and also a referral to felony drug court. Probation is, and field visits, 1 time per month for 6 months. Probation, is there anything else? All right, did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. We can go off the record. This is why you're going in custody. You are extremely high today. And if I allow you to walk out of here, what's going to end up happening is you're going to use more meth.
No.
And who knows what will end up happening. You may get some bad drugs.
Why
but-
couldn't you give me the benefit of the doubt? I just got out on bond. I'm trying to change. I'm doing what I'm.
I know this is
supposed
going to help you. All right. Thank you.
to. How long am I gonna be gone? When am I-
Thank you, counsel. It's to help her.
I understand.
And they should be, a felony drug court will probably be able to see her before the week is out.
Okay.
All right.
So she'll be in until the referral is over? So-
Yes.
Okay.
Thank
I'll
you.
explain that to her.
Comments, do you actually feel bad for her or not? Yeah, she came in with wild energy, but something about her just felt off. Like maybe this wasn't just about attitude, maybe there's something deeper going on. Thankfully, the outcome wasn't too harsh. The judge said once her referral clears, she'd be out in just a few days. So while the situation was messy, it's not something that's going to follow her forever. But now the tone shifts and fast. Her co-defendant, he's in real trouble. He's facing up to 20 years, even with a plea deal on the table for 6. That's still a massive sentence compared to hers. It's a wild contrast. She's walking out in days, and he might be locked up for years. So what do you think? Is that justice, or is something off here? Stick around,